This is something I ordered online. Move that. I'm gonna move this box over here. Maybe I'll save that box and use it so I can send art to somebody. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm excited. Creepy presents Bernie Wrightson, the definitive collection of the artist's work from Creepy and Eerie. Wow. Oh man, is this cool? Oh, yeah, I've been into inking and stuff, and I've been looking at different artists, and I love Bernie Wrightson. And I used to read the creepy books too. And I have another here. Let me find it. And I bought this about. This is a book. Dark Horse put this together, and these are the actual first 5 creepy magazines. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. And some of the stories are a little weak, but some of them are really good. But for the most part, I love the inking and the artwork, and the original covers too, like this Frank Frazetta. This is number 2. I actually had this issue when it came out. I bought this for 35 cents. I think it was 1964 or maybe 63, but I no longer have it of course, but I was able to, it even has the creepy mail and stuff. But so I've had this. I bought this about a year and a half ago, and I want to get the second set too, but I'll make another video about this. It's just so awesome. But yeah, my interest in inking has just really gone crazy with Inktober. God, look at this. And this is brand new. And I think I paid $15 for it. Really, really reasonable. Oh, I can't wait to read this. But look at that. I just want to study that. Just so beautiful. God, look at that. I remember this story, The Black Cat. Edgar Allan Poe. But yeah, Bernie Wrightson. So this is oh God, look at that. So this is a collection of, oh, whoa. This is a collection of his work. Look at this stuff. Oh my God. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. Wow. This is mind-blowing. This is better than I expected. I can't wait to read these. I didn't know it was the actual strips too. I guess yeah, it's all his work from Eerie, and I didn't really read a lot of the Eerie magazine. But oh, anyway, I thought I'd show that to you, show up my new setup and my new revitalized interest in inking and drawing.